Tech Savvy, your guide to the digital world. Technology is everywhere. From smartphones to software, it shapes our lives. Understanding tech can be daunting, but it's easier than you think. This guide will help you navigate the digital world. We'll cover software, gadgets, and apps. We'll provide simple explanations and practical examples. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, this guide has something for you. Get ready to unlock the power of technology. Let's dive in. Mastering software of Photoshop how-to. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool for image editing. It can seem complicated, but the basics are easy to learn. Let's start with layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can edit each layer independently. This allows for non-destructive editing. To adjust colors, use the image menu and select adjustments. Here you'll find options like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different tools. You'll be surprised by what you can create. Editing like a pro. Final Cut Pro. Basics. Final Cut Pro is a professional video editing software. It's a favorite among filmmakers and YouTubers. Let's explore the basics. Start by importing your video clips into the software, then drag and drop them onto the timeline at the bottom. To cut a clip, simply position the playhead where you want to split it, then click the cut button. You can then delete or move the separated clips. Final Cut Pro offers numerous transitions and effects. Explore them to add a professional touch to your videos. Smartphone Showdown. Comparing features. Choosing a smartphone can be overwhelming. There are so many options. Let's compare some key features to help you decide. Camera quality is crucial. Look for phones with high megapixels and features like optical image stabilization for sharper pictures. Battery life is another important factor. Consider your usage habits and choose a phone with a battery that suits your needs. Don't forget about the operating system. Android offers more customization, while iOS is known for its simplicity and user-friendliness. Section 5. Unboxing Bliss. Tips for Gadget Reviews. Unboxing a new gadget is always exciting. Sharing your experience through a review can be helpful for others. Start by showcasing the packaging and its contents. Highlight the design, build quality, and any unique features of the gadget. Next, demonstrate how to set up and use the gadget. Show its key features and provide your first impressions. Be honest and objective in your review. Highlight both the pros and cons to help viewers make informed decisions. Section 6. App Attack. Navigating the App Store. The App Stores are treasure troves of useful and entertaining apps, but with millions of apps available, finding the right ones can be a challenge. Start by browsing categories that interest you. Read app descriptions, reviews, and ratings to get an idea of their quality. Pay attention to app permissions. Be cautious about granting access to your personal information unless absolutely necessary. Don't be afraid to try new apps. Many offer free trials or light versions that allow you to test them before purchasing. Section 7. Troubleshooting tech. Common problems solved. Technology can be frustrating when it doesn't work as expected. Here are some common tech issues and how to troubleshoot them. If your Wi-Fi isn't working, try restarting your router and device. If the problem persists, contact your internet service provider. For slow computer performance, close unnecessary programs and run a disk cleanup to free up space. Consider upgrading your RAM for better performance. If your phone's battery drains quickly, check for power-hungry apps running in the background and limit their usage. Section 8. The future is now. Staying ahead of the curve. Technology is constantly evolving. Staying updated can be challenging, but it's essential to make the most of the digital world. Follow tech blogs, websites, and social media accounts to stay informed about the latest trends and innovations. Attend tech conferences and workshops to network with experts and gain hands-on experience with emerging technologies. Embrace lifelong learning. Be open to exploring new gadgets, software, and apps to expand your digital skill set. Section 9. Embrace the digital age. Understanding tech is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. By embracing the digital world, you can unlock countless opportunities. From enhancing your productivity to connecting with loved ones, technology empowers us in countless ways. Don't be afraid to dive in and explore. The more you learn, the more confident and empowered you'll become in the digital age. Remember, Technology is a tool. It's up to us to use it wisely and responsibly to shape a better future.